Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw folding surprise of puppy. Yeah, a puppy. First, do a fold down, and from the down fold, do a fold up. And then you have to, from the down fold, put it back up, and then flip it, and then open it, and then flip it back. So you can get a space to open it like this. Then you have to make a box for the gift. Yeah, inside the gift there'll be a puppy, and make a line at the upper side of the paper. Make hands. I don't make the hands that good, but yeah, you can make the hands on the gift, holding the gift. Make a bow, and then make some lines, and then open the paper. Make a line in between, and you have to just copy the steps. Those are the small details. And now color in the eye. Oh, now you have to make the face and the ears, and now the hair, and now the sign of where his name is written, and now some lines. I also made a tail. What's missing now? The color. Oh wait, that's not colored in fully. Let's color it in fully. The dog is not colored. Yes, let's color it in 3, 2, oh wait, what's that happening? Oh wait, the dog's colored. You should use a lighter brown for the dog. A lighter brown is very important. And now that white space below the dog is not looking nice. So let's just color that up. Boom, that's colored. Yay, we've done a dog folding surprise puppy. If you haven't subscribed, like and share. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.